Hey guys, this is Andrew for TRENDLINES.com. So for those who are watching my video for the first time, let me quickly introduce myself. I've been working as a professional trader for the past 6 years in Hong Kong, and I've decided to make some YouTube videos together with my daily job to actually show you what I'm doing at work, how I use technical analysis to set up my trades and to make money. So if you're interested about all this stuff, you guys are in the right place. So in today's video, I want to make an update on GameStop. Let's get into it. Alright guys, so GameStop video, the last time I did was around here guys, just below this breakout. So let me go through this with you again. It's important guys to, do some what we call back trading. So here it's not really back trading because I gave you some signals and they were actually correct. And it's interesting to just look at it again and understand if you are wrong, why, and if you were right, why as well, and how it played out. So here, the first thing I did, if you guys remember, so let me go on the first time frame. So the first thing I did was to identify the waves. So that's why I use Elliott waves counting to tell me where are my waves. And here, A, B, C, I was in the second wave of a larger degree wave counting. And so I was expecting this ABC to be complete and to be broken on the upside. So I was connecting the highs between here and here to get this trend line. And you can guys go and check my videos. I told you that as long as we trade below this trend line, we are bearish. And whenever we're gonna break it, we're gonna have some strong moves up. Okay, this is what happened. Now, what I'm usually telling you guys, I'm telling you don't buy the breakout, buy the retest. This is, for me, a very good way of trading, but it's not working all the time. Here, if you do this on a 4 hours time frame, you don't see the retest. So I don't think we're gonna see it. I think now the price action is too high and we have different supports. So we're gonna go on a shorter time frame to actually spot if we could buy the retest of this breakout. And you can see, so this is our breakout trend line. And we actually broke it here around 163. And did it work on a 15 minutes time frame? Yes, 30 minutes. Okay, and up to the 30 minutes time frame, you could have bought the retest here. So here we are breaking out. You can see this is our trend line. Here we are breaking out up to 172. So breakout confirmed. This one, you don't buy it. You wait because you don't have the confirmation. This one is the confirmation level. So now you need to buy, but you don't buy here. It's too high. You buy at the breakout level. So you wait for retest, which would have happened here at 162. So if your buying order was above 162, you would have been executed. If it was below, you wouldn't have been executed. You would have missed this trade. So buying the retest is a bit risky compared to buy the breakout if you absolutely want to be in the trade. But this is something, guys, I'm doing for a long time. And I can tell you that the bad situation, missing a trade is fine. You're going to go to the next one. But getting hammered when you bought the wrong level and you don't have the stop loss at the right place, this is something that can cost you a lot financially and psychologically, because when you do a bad trade and you know that you shouldn't have done it, this usually can bring you in a kind of spiral where you're doing bad decisions. So if I can share my experience with you here very sincerely, I'm telling you, don't buy breakouts, only buy retests. And here on the 30 minutes time frame, it would have worked. So from then, we are bullish, guys. We are bullish, of course. And let's see what is going to happen next. We are done with this correction. We are doing here a 1-2, and we are in the third wave of this larger degree wave counting. And in the third wave, here we are doing the same thing as usual, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. First wave, second wave. It's going to be something like this, probably. So the question we're having is this counting for now correct? Is there any reason that this could be wrong? So let's see if we have some bearish signs on the short term. So for example, one of the signal I could have here that is telling me that this 1-2 is not good if this second wave is too deep. So I measure this first wave and I apply the fib retracements, guys. Fib retracements are very useful for that. they tell you if the bullish case is still valid or not, if the probability of seeing this bullish case happening is decreasing. For example, above 50% is what we call the bullish zone, and between 50 and 61.8 in the second wave. It all depends on which wave you're considering, but in the second wave, I don't like to see the price action going below the 1.618, here 165. My bullish case would be still valid as long as we are developing above 165, all right? And here we already had our ABC correction. So to me, the most likely scenario is that we are doing this third wave of the third wave of the third wave. So which is actually something that should be very bullish. And we got this. We got this very bullish signals. All right. Even here, guys. Okay, let me check what happened since the beginning of the third wave, guys. This is, the wave I'm considering, the blue one here. We had 35%, guys, up in a matter of 3 days. So this is a typical third wave, and this is a correction of a third wave, and now we're gonna keep going higher. All right, this is my view. But once again, if we trade below 165, I would be worried. Something else, so let's forget about discounting for now. Something else, guys, is the 175 level. All right, so 173, 175, something like this. I just connect the lows that I have here, you can see, and here I have some highs. So this level is actually, for me, a very important pivot point. And once again, you can see how the price action reacted to it. We blew right through it, doing a very strong move up. Why, guys, we had this strong move up here? I can tell you it's because some people, they were having stop losses above 175. And this strong move up is actually the stop losses getting lifted. Then here we correct. You can see that the 175 is acting well as support. We just go quickly below, but on a 4 hours time frame, it is not broken, it is intact. As you can see here, just a fake breakout. It's not even a fake breakout because we don't have any confirmation. We closed slightly below. All right, we closed at 172.3, guys. This is fine. And then right away we go higher. I see only bullish signals from here. Once again, I may have some delay when I post this, so I hope there's not going to be a strong bearish move, but I expect the price action to keep developing higher and to get rejected around 215. And I'm going to tell you why in my next video. So guys, if you enjoyed this one, please don't forget to click on the sub, like, and bell button so you're going to be the first to know when I upload anything new, and stay close to shore. I'll see you guys.